Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm painting a little house nestled in the hills. So I've done a simple drawing on Saunders Waterford rough surface, that's 300 grams or 140 pounds. And I'm washing down the sky with a wash of ultramarine blue. So for the first hill, I use a mix of lemon yellow and deep green for this big hill on the right hand side. I then darken some areas of this hill using a mix of lemon yellow and more deep green. For the fields in the middle distance, I use a mix of yellow ochre as an initial wash, and then while that's wet, I add varied mixes of lemon yellow, deep green, and deep green with burnt sienna. For those distant trees, I use a stippling action with a mix of lemon yellow and deep green. I make the mix of lemon yellow and deep green stronger as I paint the nearer trees. Here, I'm trying to create the illusion of fields divided by hedges and trees. So what I do is I make the trees larger as I come forward towards the viewer so that this adds a bit of perspective. I now make a really strong mix of all the colors I've used for the fields in the distance and the trees in the distance, and I apply those to the field nearest to the viewer. This is supposed to push the rest of the picture back. And finally, I put in a suggestion of the house by just painting in the roof with a simple wash of slate grey made from Payne's grey and cobalt blue. Now I'm finishing off by putting in a few simple touches of extra paint just to darken up some areas here and there on the painting. If you liked this video, do let me know by giving me a thumbs up and leaving a comment. This all helps with the YouTube algorithm, which rewards videos that have maximum engagement. What it does is that if there is a suggestion or likes on a video, YouTube seems to think that this video, people like it, let's suggest it to other people. So that would really help me out. And of course, do consider subscribing. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel this week. I do hope to see you again next time. Thank you very much. Have a great day.